Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into something I know a lot of you have been curious about, modding your Apple Watch. Specifically, we're looking at this stainless steel watch case and rubber band mod kit designed for the 44mm and 45mm Apple Watch, compatible with a range of series, from the SE all the way up to Series 8. This kit promises to transform your Apple Watch from sleek tech to rugged sport, and we're going to see if it lives up to the hype. Right out of the box, you can feel the quality of the stainless steel case. It has a substantial heft to it, which immediately gives your Apple Watch a more premium, almost luxurious feel. The finish is smooth and polished, and the precise cutouts ensure perfect access to the digital crown, side button, and speaker. One thing I noticed is how seamlessly the case integrates with the watch itself. There's no awkward gap or looseness. It fits like a glove. This tight fit is crucial, as it prevents dust and debris from getting trapped between the case and the watch. Now, let's talk about the rubber band. This isn't your average silicone strap. It's incredibly soft and flexible, making it super comfortable for all-day wear, even during intense workouts. The breathability is a major plus. I've worn this for extended periods, and my wrist doesn't get that sweaty, sticky feeling that you sometimes get with other bands. The band also features a secure clasp mechanism that keeps your watch firmly in place. I've put it through its paces, running, lifting weights, even some accidental bumps and knocks, and the watch hasn't budged. Installing the case and band is a breeze. The case simply snaps onto your Apple Watch, and the band easily slides into the case's integrated lugs. The whole process takes less than a minute. One thing I appreciate is that the kit includes all the necessary tools for installation and removal, so you don't have to go searching for anything extra. But how does it look? In my opinion, this mod kit elevates the Apple Watch's aesthetic. The stainless steel case adds a touch of rugged sophistication, while the rubber band gives it a sporty edge. It's a versatile look that can easily transition from the gym to the office. I've received several compliments on the watch since I started wearing this kit. Of course, no product is perfect. While the stainless steel case offers excellent protection, it does add a bit of bulk to the watch. This might not be a deal breaker for most people, but if you prefer a slimmer profile, you might want to keep that in mind. Also, while the rubber band is comfortable and breathable, it's not as easily interchangeable as Apple's standard bands. You'll need to use the included tools to swap it out. Overall, this stainless steel watch case and rubber band mod kit is a fantastic way to personalize your Apple Watch. It offers a premium feel, excellent protection, and a stylish, sporty look. The easy installation and comfortable fit make it a winner in my book. If you're looking to give your Apple Watch a fresh new look and feel, I highly recommend checking out this mod kit. It's a simple and effective way to transform your everyday smartwatch into something truly unique. The added durability is a bonus, especially if you lead an active lifestyle. So, is it worth the investment? Absolutely. This kit offers a great balance of style, functionality, and protection.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.